This hit function has a flaw. Can you spot it? Okay, let me explain what we expect from this code, then you will have 30 seconds. 1. Negative value heal instead of dealing damage. 2. The defensive stance reduce incoming damage by 50%. 3. The offensive stance increase incoming damage by 50%. 4. Each shield blocks 1 point of damage. Ready? Did you find it? The problem is right here. You see, if the number of shield is greater than the amount of damage, we end up with negative damage, which means this line can now heal the player. We can fix this by making sure that the new value can never go below 0. Do you enjoy this kind of challenge? Would you like me to prepare more of them? Let me know by leaving a like or a comment. Stay sharp!